Hi YouTube people, so welcome back to my channel. And for those who are new here, welcome to my channel. This is Nidhi, and I am a beauty influencer, or that's what I like to call myself. I basically love makeup, and I love to do a lot of makeup and then cleanse it and keep my skin clean so that I can do it again, so that's what I like doing. So yeah, that's about it. So today I am basically going to review one of the best MAC lipsticks. Basically you can tell it is one of the cult favorite of MAC. It has been from dawn of time, and you must have seen 100,000 reviews of it before this, but this is from me. So you should keep watching, and to get into the review, let's get started. So yeah, so the lipstick that I've applied now is actually, let me quickly show you. It is Fashionista from K Beauty, of course. You must know I love this brand a lot because, more or less, being from, it's a very medium ground to be at, and with the kind of shade range and everything else that they're offering in the market is something really nice. So yeah, I appreciate it. So this is Fashionista that I've applied. Hype is something I have used to line my lips, so that's how I look. And if you want to know how I achieved this look, let me know in the comment section. I'll ensure I'm giving out some information about it, or a lot of it. I don't know. You should know what you need to ask, so ask away in the comment section. So in the meantime, I'm going to remove my lipstick and show you what I'm talking about. Okay, before that, okay, just sorry, very quickly. Okay, this is a matte red, I can't speak, so this is MAC Retro Matte lipstick in the bullet form. This is a full size lipstick, and yeah, so this is how it looks. I have used it quite a bit, not a lot, but yeah, so this is how it looks. So I have used it for a couple of times. Extremely happy to have this, lucky to have this, because from my childhood I just wanted one of the MAC products with me, and this was one of it, because this was like cult favorite. Everyone loved it, and who from my generation does not love red? Who? So nude is new, but red is something traditional, and just we have all grown seeing red, is one of the colors that people have used a lot, and that has actually made me come closer to the lipstick section of it, at least. So yeah, let me quickly remove this and show you how it looks on my face. Yeah, so the thing is, I have removed the lipstick completely. I don't have a compact right now, so I'm just going to really clean this lipstick up and then apply the MAC one. So hopefully it should show the true color. I'm not going to use any of the lip liner, so that you don't see the product in a different light altogether, because what happens is when you apply a lip liner, that's when your lip starts to show a little bit different color. So that's not something I would want. So yeah, I think I need to take care of a few things. Yeah, so this is my lips without any lipstick on. This is my MAC Retro lipstick. I can't speak, just understand my feelings. Okay, one swipe, babe. This is the stuff I'm talking about. Okay. Oh. So this is how it looks on my lips. You can see, freaking amazing. So basically, see, I have applied this after, you know, having like kajal and everything else, you know, very slight bit of makeup, you know, not a lot. But then I just want to tell you guys something, and that is that even if you are going to apply this with very minimal makeup like I have done, you know, it's very minimal actually. You can have, you know, tone on, maybe a little bit blush on also, but then I think, you know, you are going to nail any look with this lipstick, because look how vibrant it is, how vibrant it is. So this is going to cheer up your face, cheer up your feelings, cheer up your nightmares, I guess. At least makeup does it for me, so if it does for you too, so maybe you can give it a try. I think this is one of the really nice product. I think MAC has, you know, a lot of good products, so within you know, their range and everything, but this is one of the nicest bullet lipstick. I love their liquid matte collection, retro liquid matte collection. Consider me as someone struggles to speak. So yeah, anyway, so yeah, so this is something, you know, really great product. If you want, you can try out the mini version of it, and maybe like if you really like it or if it suits you, then you can go for a full size lipstick. I loved it, I wished for it, and I got it. So yeah, manifestation for a lipstick, that's my love. Anyways, okay, so here's my review. It's a good product. You want it, you can just give it a try. You can go to a MAC store, or you can get it on online. You can get it on Nykaa. Yeah, so that's about it. I think I've covered it all. If you have any questions still about it, you can use the comment section down below, and then I will be happy to answer your question. If you have anything that you want me to review, you can also let me know in the comment section below. And what else? And if at all you have this product, then let me know how you feel about it. What is that you agree with? What is that you not exactly have experienced the same way that I have? I'll be happy to read all your comments and reply back to all of them. Yeah, also please consider subscribing my channel, because that's really going to motivate and help me to, you know, move forward. So yeah, that's about it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed, then subscribe right now and click that bell icon, so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. I'm going to go for now, but stay safe, stay healthy, and keep loving. Love and peace. Bye bye.